Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Struggling with dark cycles? Don't worry, we are breaking down 2 effective treatments that can help. OTESALY Collagen Lift and OTESALY Vital 2 ml. What are dark cycles? Dark cycle can result from poor sleep, genetic agent or dehydration. Sometimes thinning skin or visible blood vessels make the issue worse. Let's see how OTESALY products can target these causes. What is OTESALY Collagen Lift? OTESALY Collagen Lift improves circulation and brightens the skin, making perfect for dark cycle caused by pigmentation or poor blood flow. Think of it as a nutrient boost that revitalizes your skin. You will need a few sessions for full results, but it's worth the wait.
What is OTESALY Vital 2 ml?
OTESALY Vital 2 ml use hyaluronic acid as injectable to fill in holes under your eyes. It's great for addressing volume loss or sagging skin, instantly lifting and brightening the under eye area.
Key difference: OTESALY Collagen Lift, best for pigmentation and overall skin health. OTESALY Vital 2 ml, ideal for ending volume and reducing shadows caused by hollowed skin.
Both treatments work wonders, but choosing the right one depends on the cause of your dark cycle. Not sure which is best? Consult a beauty expert for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and DM us for more details. See you next time.